This is Motorola Moto G15, and today I will show how you can set up the portable hotspot feature on this device. So to start, you will need to find and launch the Settings app. From here, enter the Network and Internet category and open the hotspot and tethering preferences. Now tap at the Wi-Fi hotspot to open the mobile hotspot settings, and now you can switch it on or off directly from here. You can also, while the hotspot is enabled, conveniently share it through this QR code. What you can also do is change the Wi-Fi name as well as password. You should also be able to change it. Here it is. You can also switch the security protocol, enable or disable the turn off hotspot automatically toggle, and switch the AP band that your Wi-Fi network will operate at 2.4 gigahertz or 5 gigahertz. There's also a more convenient way to switch the mobile hotspot on and off by demand through the control panel. So open it, which you can do by swiping downwards from the right half of the status bar, and here look for the portable hotspot or Wi-Fi hotspot control. As far as I can see, by default it is not enabled, right? Yep. Oh, actually it is here. So now you can switch it off or switch it on by simply tapping on the tile here. If you won't find the hotspot shortcut on the control panel right away, do not be afraid. Just tap on this pencil icon to start editing and rearranging the tiles. Scroll down and the hotspot shortcut or the hotspot button should be on the list of unused controls. So once it is found here, drag it, hold and drag it to the top. And that's how you add the control to your control panel. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.